In this first section, we'll focus on coloring the mockup. Select the Live Paint selection tool. Then simply choose a color and drag it over the areas you want to fill. Start with the shirt. Click and fill each section with your chosen colors. Once the shirt is complete, move on to the pants and repeat the same process. Section 2, Editing Colors. First, select the mockups you want to recolor. Then click on the Recolor Artwork button in the toolbar. This opens a panel where you can easily choose from different color profiles to quickly change the overall look. You can also customize your own color styles by selecting colors and adjusting them to fit your design perfectly. Once you're happy with your changes, just apply them and watch your mockup update instantly. Section 3, Styling. We start by coloring the shirt again using the Live Paint selection tool, just like in Section 1. Select your preferred colors and drag them to fill each area of the shirt. Next, we move on to the pants. We're going to create a fabric swatch based on a blue denim jean texture. First, paste the texture image into Illustrator. Then, duplicate it and apply a mirror transformation to make the texture look more realistic. Go to the Edit menu, then Edit Colors and add more black to deepen the texture. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, drag the updated texture to the Swatches panel to create a new swatch. Using the Selection tool, select the areas of the pants you want to fill with this swatch, then click on the swatch. As you can see, the texture applies nicely to the pants. To add depth, we add more black to the swatch for different parts of the pants. To enhance the pants further, we'll use symbols. Import the modifier symbols we created earlier. Select the perfect button symbol for your design and customize it to fit the pants button area. Next, choose your preferred pocket style and drag it onto your artboard. Customize it to match the fabric swatch. Then create a clipping mask so it fits perfectly as a side pocket. Repeat this process for the other leg of the pants. Section 4, Customize Stitches. Select the color you want to use for the stitches. Then, using the Selection tool, click on the stitch areas and change their color to match your design. When you're satisfied, zoom out to check the overall balance. Adjust any sections that stand out too much or don't match the style you're aiming for. Section 5, Add your design. Now it's time to add your personalized design to the mockup. Import the artwork or logo you want to use. This could be text, graphics, or any custom element you've prepared. If needed, apply some transparency effects to help your design blend naturally with the fabric texture. In my case, I'm using a tint transparency effect to give the design a more realistic, slightly textured look. For the shirt, I'm adding embroidery stitches in pink for both the text and the heart design. Adjust the placement and scale until everything fits naturally with the garment. Section 6, Add shadows and highlights. Select the mockup items where you want to add shadows and highlights. Go to Effect, Stylize, and choose Inner Glow. Set the blending mode to Overlay and select Stroke. Adjust the settings until you achieve the desired shadow or highlight effect. Then, apply the same effect to the other items in your artboard.